Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Choka Bucks.
Bafowethu mafowethu wethu amakhosi amapakaniya asibonge idabi ihambe kahle.
Sure.
Aphinde angifisele uKhristo Mtawu ngithi happy birthday Gabriel mfana ngosuku lwakho ngicabanga ukuthi enjoy kahle le mhlathuzi bese ngithi ne-belated birthday kumanqoba Mnqithi bese ngithi ke isibhamu besiphethe uhlanya namhlanje asinethile amaphoyisa asheshe alithatha isibhamu ngoba besolimala bese ngithi nge-disallowing goal ka-Apolis isilimazile ngoba bengithela le game eka-Apolis nje uzoshaya omuntu 1-0 anyway abafowethu ngithi maba drive safe kubuyela back to lapho behlala khona abebesuka eGerman ba drive safe to back to German abebesuka eEngland nabebesuka eNigeria ngithi nje amafowethu samabhakaniya never give up ileague kusase yethu mhlazana iChiefs yodlala neSundowns mina ngiyothenga ichampagne ngigcina endlini ichampagne nje ngigcina endlini ngithi nje ngibathanda bonke abalandeli bemama fans wethu bafowethu mabhakaniya asibambe njalo singaphela amandla isibhamu namhlanje besiphethe uhlanya kodwa sisheshe sabona ukuthi isibhamu siwele emntwini wrong ufuna ukudubula kwasani sasheshe sayikhola i-order yingakho namanje abokhila begula ngekhanda bejabulela i-draw. This is a draw. Thina half a bread is better than nothing okokuthi there's a long way to go. Kodwa kona i-league is belonging to Orlando Pirates Football Club.
Thank you.